Oh my God!
Ibang question and answer ba? Saglit lang mag-isip muna ako.
Kailangan may tanong ako na ako.
Tiny cosine of 7, radius of circumference of number 2.
Okay, candidate number 1. Oh my God!
Sino number 1?
Like I'm so bobo. What can you say about the people in the neighborhood?
I want to taste them. Oy, alam mo yan. Sana sumali ka, friend.
Ano lang, candidate number 1. Miss candidate number 1, please comment down.
Hi.
Pakilala
How are you,
first.
Miss candidate number 1?
I'm not feeling good right now. I'm so nervous.
Pressure?
I don't feel I don't feel. Parang pasada lang. I don't feel any pressure right now because I believe in myself. I'm good in question and answering, and I don't know to my co-contestant. Good luck to them.
So this is the question. You're not
Okay, Miss candidate number 1, here's your question.
Ten, 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 ten.
For you, what is beauty? Beauty inside, beauty in outside.
Ang hirap sa mga tanong. Pwede mo ganito pa.
Tagalog na lang.
Pero ba Tagalog na lang? Kahirap eh.
Para sa'yo, ano kagandahan ng loob at kagandahan sa labas?
Wala.
Vitamin yun na lang, guys.
The question goes like this. What is beauty?
What is beauty? Beauty in outside and beauty in inside.
For me, beauty in outside, that a woman having a physical fit body.
Ay, kailangan mo ng gay translation.
Ayun po yun. And a woman having a what's it called this? Dream in her life. If beauty inside, having a good attitude, how you respect individual, because that's very important. And of course, how you treat the others, you know, like No, for me, beauty inside is not you respect individual. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss candidate number 1.
Question number 2.
Miss candidate number 2, please comment down. Hey, question please.
Hey, candidate number 2.
Hey.
Do you agree in prostitution should be legalized? Why and why not?
Translator.
Translator.
Ano yun? Prostitution. Ikaw ba ay naniniwala?
Ako mag-question kaya ako.
Na maaaring illegal ang prostitution sa ating bansa?
Why?
Yes.
At bakit? At bakit?
Oo ba? Yes.
Bakit yun eh? Tagalog eh.
Oo, dahil
Because?
ibang bansa,
In other country?
nililegalize nila yung prostitution.
Because in other country, they legalize prostitution.
Yes. Wala naman sigurong masama kung i-legalize natin yung prostitution.
And there's nothing
Depende kasi
wrong.
kung magiging professional, yung magiging kagaya ng mga sex
Hindi!
mga porn stars sex and porn stars, nililegalize nila sa ibang bansa. Bakit hindi pwede sa atin?
He told everything and I cannot understand.
Yun lang.
Thank you.
Tapos sa'yo?
Ayan, magulo.
Next.
Ako last question.
Oh, last question.
Last question.
Candidate number
For the last question.
Madam Reed.
For the last question,
What is your translate?
what can you say about the rising poverty in the Philippines?
In Tagalog.
Poverty ba?
In Tagalog,
Ay, magaling to, matalino to. Bet ko to eh. Bet ko to. Translator.
Sino kaya sima siya sa'yo ha. Guys, don't be stupid. That's what you said. Hello, guys. Each and everyone. Come on. Before I will go to bleed my nose, can you answer the question?
Ay, dapat ano?
Sikat, kinsikapya.
Kinaka-translate mo na.
Sa kabal, kiyak, niya, kiyay,
Thailand, bakit?
It is same also as good evening, each and everyone. Come on, speak up. Ma contestant said that being black is difficult, especially when you're living being black. Especially also when your hair is white.
Ano ka nalaman ng poverty sa white hair?
Nothing. Thank you. That's your information, for your information only. Huh? What's the answer? This is my answer.
Leave now. Wait.
Before anything else, before I will subscribe, can you repeat the question?
Question!
Okay, so question. What can you say about the rising poverty in the Philippines?
Guys, you know Filipinos. Kung sabi mo nga siya. I have a Bible. He already texted me. Come on up, guys.
Kung sabi mo siya na ano?
You already sent?
Bakit English ka sa kanila? Kakaintindi pa rin ng English.
Putang ina, huwag kang mangialam dito ha. 500 to. Nakakosa na ako dito ha.
Sign language si Bakla.
Ay, thank you pala yun.
Wala, parang Jubilee song lang.
Ay! Pipi pa yan tayo rin.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ano?
become yourself first. Because my contestant said that you have nothing to worry about poverty. Because ladies and gentlemen, you're just an employee. And now come on guys, we already have the congressman, we already have the mayors, we already have the president. They have the duties to do that. So you have nothing to worry about. Thank you so much.